I put a pipe cleaner in the second drawer. Now Pal has taken it out before, and I see how he does it. Look at this. There's a pipe cleaner. Pancho got it to play. Oh, he found something else. Oh, that's a roll of ribbon. If they open up that, they're going to have a lot of fun with that. Pal and Pally, the brothers. I better take that. Oh, Pal. You going to go for the other thing, Pal? What else is in the drawer that you want? That's what he wanted. Right, Pal? Oh, now you knew that. Now you see there's other things in there. That's funny. We have to find a way to latch that drawer. What are you going to find in there to play with? Now we know that Pancho thinks everything's a toy. And you found some too. Okay.